Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is 2 power of 18 minus 1 into prime factors or prime numbers. So we'll change this into prime numbers. So it will be equal to, from here we have 2 power of 18 minus 1 into power of 18 is 1 power of 18, which is still 1. So we change into this form so as we can change it into perfect square. So it will be equal to 2 power of 18 into square, it is 2 power of 9, then bracket square, minus 1 power of 18 into square, it is 1 power of 9, then bracket square. Now into here it is in the form of a perfect square. So we'll let this a as this 2. So we'll let a is equal to 2 and this one as b. So let b is equal to 1. Then it will be equal to, into here it will be a power of 9 bracket square. So here a power of 9 then bracket square minus 1, it is b. So it will be b power of 9 then bracket square. Now this form of a perfect square will change it. So it will be equal to, into here it will be this plus this inside the bracket. So it will be a power of 9 plus b power of 9 bracket times bracket this minus this. So it will be a power of 9 minus b power of 9 bracket. Then in the next step, these powers of 9 will change into powers of 3. So it will be equal to a power of 9, it will be a power of 3, then bracket power of 3, then plus b power of 9, it is b power of 3, then bracket power of 3, then bracket, then times bracket a power of 9. A power of 9 is same as a power of 3, then bracket power of 3, then minus b power of 9, it will be b power of 3, then bracket power of 3 bracket. Then in the next step, this is in the form of a perfect square, form of a perfect cube, and this is in the form of a perfect cube. So into here we'll apply a perfect cube rule, whereas it has power of 3 plus this power of 3. So the form of algebraic rule in this form, it is in the form of x power of 3 plus y power of 3, whereas it is equal to x plus y bracket times x square minus xy plus y square bracket. And in this part here is in the form of a perfect cube, whereas here it has power of 3 minus this power of 3. So it is in the form of x power of 3 minus y power of 3, whereas it is equal to x minus y, then bracket times x square plus xy plus y square bracket. Then in the next step it will be equal to, we'll apply this rule into this part. So x plus y, it will be this plus this. So here it will be a power of 3 plus b power of 3 bracket, then times bracket x square, it will be this square. So it will be a power of 3 bracket square, then minus x times y, it will be this times this inside the bracket. So it will be a power of 3 b power of 3, then plus y square, it will be b power of 3 square. So b power of 3 bracket square, then bracket. Then here we have times. So here times bracket, into this part here we'll apply this rule. So x minus y, it will be this inside the bracket minus this inside the bracket. So it will be a power of 3 minus b power of 3, then bracket times x square, it will be this square. So it will be a power of 3 bracket square, then plus xy, it will be this times this. So a power of 3 times b power of 3, then plus y square, it will be this square, so it will be b power of 3, then bracket square, then here bracket. Then in the next step, it will be equal to, into a's and b, a and b, we substitute now. A, it is 2, b, it is 1. So into here, a power of 3, it will be 2 power of 3, plus b power of 3, it will be 1 power of 3, then bracket, a power of 3 power of 2, this it will be power of 6. So a, it is 2, so it will be 2 power of 6, minus 8, it is 2, so it will be 2 power of 3 times b, it is 1, so it will be 1 power of 3, then plus b, it is 1, so it will be 1 power of 3 times power of 2 is power of 6, bracket, then bracket, into here, a power of 3, so it will be, a is 2, so it will be 2 power of 3 minus b, it is 1 power of 3, bracket, then bracket, a 3 times 2 is power of 6, so a, it is 2, so it will be 2 power of 6, then plus a is 2, so it will be 2 power of 3 times b is 1, so it will be 1 power of 3, then plus b, it is 1, so it will be 1 power of 3 times 2 is power of 6, bracket. Then in the next step, it will be equal to, into here, 2 power of 3, it is 8, 1 power of 3, it is 1, so 8 plus 1, it is 9, then times, here we place this bracket because this is long, so 2 power of 6, 2 power of 6 is 64, then minus 2 power of 3 is 8, 8 times 1 is still 8, then plus this 1 power of 6 is 1, bracket, then bracket here times bracket, 2 power of 8, 2 power of 3, it is 8, 1 power of 3, it is 1, so 8 minus 1, it is 7, bracket, then bracket, here 2 power of 6, 2 power of 6 is 64, then plus 2 power of 3 is 8, 8 times 1 is 8, then plus 1 power of 6 is 1, bracket. Then it will be equal to 9 times 64 minus 8, it is 64 minus 8 is 56, 56 plus 1 is 57, then times this 7, then times 64 plus 8 is 72, plus 1 is 73. Now remember this, we change all this into prime factors, so it will be equal to 9 into prime factors, 9 is same as 3 square, then times 57, 57 is same as 19 times 3, whereas 19 is prime, 3 is prime, then times this 7 is prime, then times this 73, which is also prime. Then it will be equal to, here they have same base, 3, so 3 power of 2 times 3, it is 3 power of 3, then times this, already done with this, then times this 7, then times this 19, then times this 73, whereas these are the prime factors of 2 power of 18 minus 1. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.